Hey there, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can install Node.js on macOS. Really simple. Let's just go for the browser at first, okay, and then search for Node.js. And here you can see I am here in the download section, and this is the official site nodejs.org. You have to come here and then select the Node.js version. So this is the current version, but I always love to go with actually long-term support version. Here you can see LTS, which will contain LTS. Okay, so select this and then click here macOS installer .pkg. Okay, sorry, pkg. So if you're from Windows, there will be automatically Windows selected, but I'm from Mac, so there is macOS. So I just have to click here, then it will start downloading, and after that you just have to double click on the download file, and then you just have to actually drag the file from the left to right in the application section. There will be a pop-up. Okay, after that it will start installing, and to check if you have successfully installed it, you just have to say here node hyphen v. Okay, you can see I have here Node.js version, okay, v25 version 25.9.0. You can actually go with version 26. That's it for today. Thank you so much for watching this video.